Greetings. Welcome to Geometry Puzzles, a series of videos on problems and puzzles in geometry. Here we are with yet another fantastic problems in geometry, and this is puzzle number 14, by the way. In the adjacent diagram, R is the radius of the circle. Two tangents are drawn. Length is P. Q is the length of the chord between the points of contact, and we have to show that L is equal to 2pr divided by Q. So what we have here is we have drawn two tangents from this point, and the length of the tangents are P. So this length is P, and so is this length. R is the radius of the circle. Q is the length of the chord drawn between the points of contact. So these are the 2 points of contact, and we draw the chord, and the length of the chord is Q. The length of the chord is Q. And L is the length of this segment drawn from this point to the center of the circle. And we have to show that L is equal to 2pr divided by Q. So how do we show this? One way to prove what is asked is by considering the area of the quadrilateral, area of this quadrilateral. Let me name the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. So area of this quadrilateral can be expressed using two formulas, and when we equate the RHS of these two equations, then that will lead us to this equation. So the first formula is the Brahma-Gupta's formula. Brahma-Gupta's formula for an area of a quadrilateral applies only to cyclic quadrilaterals, and quadrilateral ABCD is indeed a cyclic quadrilateral, because you see this angle is 90 degrees and this angle is also 90 degrees. Reason, the tangent and the radius both make an angle of 90 degrees at the point of contact. So we have this opposite angles, a pair of opposite angles which are supplementary to each other. So the other pair of opposite angles is also supplementary, and if in a quadrilateral the opposite pair of angles are supplementary to each other, then the quadrilateral is cyclic. So quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic, and we can apply the formula for a cyclic area of a cyclic quadrilateral. So this is the formula for the area, where S is equal to A plus B plus C plus D whole divided by 2. I suppose this quantity is called semi-perimeter or something like that. Perimeter divided by 2 is S, and what is ABCD? ABCD is the length of the sides. So if this is a quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral, and these are the lengths of sides, then the area is given by this formula. So we can apply this formula over here and we will get one equation. So let us apply that. So here we see the side length is P, R, this is also R because it is the radius of the circle, and this is also P. tangents are equal in length drawn from a common point. So this is also R and this is also P. So we can apply this formula, and S over here turns out to be P plus R plus P whole divided by 2, which gives us 2P plus 2R divided by 2, which is equal to P plus R. And A is equal to S minus P, S minus R, S minus R, S minus P, which is equal to S minus P, S minus R. And we put this value of S over here, and we get P plus R minus P into P plus R minus R, which gives us R into P. So the area of quadrilateral ABCD from Brahmagupta's formula is equal to PR. So let me box this equation, and this is equation number 1. Now there is another formula which can be used to calculate the area. So if we have this quadrilateral, and this formula applies to any general quadrilateral. If you have a quadrilateral like this, and this is the first diagonal 1, and this is the second diagonal 2. Let this be called D1, let this be called D2. Then the area of this quadrilateral is equal to half the length of the product of the diagonals, and sine alpha, where alpha is the angle between the two diagonals. So you can take this as alpha or this as alpha, doesn't matter, the answer will be the same. So in quadrilateral ABCD, we apply this formula, and we notice that the length of the one of the diagonals is capital L and the other diagonal is Q, and sine alpha is this angle, which is 90 degrees. Why? Because you see quadrilateral ABCD is a kite, and the diagonals intersect at 90 degrees. So you have sine 90 degrees, and this is equal to half LQ. Sine 90 is 1. Okay, so we have area of ABCD, quadrilateral ABCD, is equal to half LQ. Let this equation be called equation 2. Now we compare equation 1 and equation 2, and let us see what it gives us. So you see area of the quadrilateral is half LQ, and area of the same quadrilateral is also PR. So we can equate the RHS. So we have half LQ is equal to PR, and this gives us L is equal to 2PR divided by Q, and this is what the question asks us to show. L is equal to 2PR divided by Q. Hence proved. Thank you for watching.